Hello developers. Welcome to DevBook. In previous video we learnt about the arrays in Java. Now we will dive deep into the concept of array. So let's start with the functions of array. In Java, arrays serve several functions that make them powerful and widely used. Here are some of the key functions of arrays in Java. Storing multiple values in arrays allow you to store multiple values of the same type in a single variable. This is useful when you need to work with a collection of related data elements. Random access in arrays provide direct and efficient access to individual elements based on their index. You can retrieve or modify elements in constant time by using their index, making it easy to work with specific values within the array. Iteration allows you to loop through all the elements of an array. You can use various looping constructs such as for loops or enhanced for loops to iterate over the array and perform operations on each element. Efficient memory management in arrays allocate contiguous memory blocks, making memory access faster and more efficient. This property allows arrays to be used in situations where performance is crucial. Passing to functions in arrays can be passed as parameters to methods or functions in Java. This allows you to encapsulate related data and pass it as a single entity, enabling code reusability and modular programming. Sorting and searching in arrays provide built-in methods and algorithms to sort and search for elements. The java.util.arrays class offers various methods like sort, binary search, and equals that simplify common array operations. Multidimensional arrays in Java supports multidimensional arrays, allowing you to create tables, matrices, or grids of values. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with structured data or when solving problems that require multiple dimensions. Traversing over an array. In this example, we have an array named numbers that contains a sequence of integers. The for loop starts with the index I initialized to 0 and continues until I reaches the length of the array numbers.length. Inside the loop, we access each element of the array using its index numbers, I, and store it in a variable called current number. You can perform any desired operations on each element within the loop. In this case, we are simply printing the element along with its index. When you run this program, it will traverse the array using the for loop, printing each element and its index. Let's solve a problem using array function. The question is from the given array of integers, find the maximum element and its index. In this solution, we have an array numbers containing a sequence of integers. We assume the first element as the maximum by initializing max element with numbers 0 and max index with 0. Then, we iterate over the array using a for loop starting from the second element I is equal to 1. Inside the loop, we compare each element with the current max element. If we find an element greater than max element, we update max element with that element and store its index in max index. Finally, we print the maximum element and its corresponding index. When you run this program, it will output the maximum element and its index based on the given array, which will give the output as maximum element is 63 and index of maximum element is 6. In the next video we will learn about two-dimensional array, and if you want question bank to solve more problems on array function, please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram to become a part of our programming family. Happy coding!